Hey guys, so this is day number three. We are on our way. We just landed in Haiti, guys. First time in Haiti.
Get ready.
Labadee. How would you say it? Labadee?
No, Sac Passe.
Labadee. Yeah.
Labadee, that's the name of the island?
Labadee.
Labadee Island. It's a Royal Caribbean island. So we about to go kayaking and we're gonna hit the what's the other thing? Aqua Park, yeah.
And I've been told it's ready.
It's time to go down.
Go down.
Morning.
Morning.
Take a look at this scenery.
Yeah. This ship is built nice.
Yeah. I think back in 2015 it was the biggest one. Where's she at? Tell her to come off the ship. And we right here.
Labadee.
Looking for my sister right now. First time in Haiti, first stop off this Royal Caribbean cruise, y'all. I'm looking forward to what we're about to do today. That live entertainment, y'all.
You know why they could have done shit like this? You always got that.
Guys, we're actually catching a ferry to the excursions that we're gonna do. We got two excursions, so we got the kayaking, like I said before, and we also got the water park. So we're gonna do both of those and have a little bit more time at the end to go maybe shop a little bit. But this is actually Royal Caribbean's own island. At the beautiful island of Haiti.
Say how many, Mom?
It says 1 to 2 daily.
Been to DR twice, never been to Haiti until now. No need for a gym today, huh, Lexi?
No, not today. Not today.
Yeah, I'm gonna end up putting this on my ankle. I know, I see him. Yeah. Actually, long stroke. I held on to yours to balance up. Woo! One hand, one hand, one hand. Right side again, right side again. Right. Look at my baby getting it in. Look at that. Left again. Labadee.
You just gotta make sure your camera is stable. They gonna take a picture? You in the water?
Soaking it in now.
There we go. Yeah.
Come on, play in possession.
Tomorrow.
Yep.
We're gonna what? We're gonna have Diesel shoulders. Yeah. And then we have mad climbing to do tomorrow.
Right.
Duns River Falls is all climbing. Yeah.
Sweet.
The water park, kind of, like the inflatables, like we still have to climb up that.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be hard because it's squishy.
Yeah. We're gonna be in a struggle bus.
I'm just gonna film it. I got evidence. Isn't that what they do nowadays?
Oh, they got me. They got me.
Crack kills. So kayaking was an experience, guys. It was definitely an experience. It was fun. I haven't done it in a long time, years. We traveled to the Haiti. Right now we're in, I want to say the Royal Caribbean version of Haiti. We actually kayaked to the island of Haiti. They was talking about what it's called, Lebanon, what was the name of the?
Labadee.
Labadee. That's
Bodie.
Bodie. Labadee. Yeah, we traveled over there and then kayaked back. So I got my workout for the week. And there's still some more working out to do. Listen, now we just did the aqua park over here. That was a workout.
It's not
Straight
everything.
workout, guys. So after kayaking and doing that wipeout related workout, I'm exhausted. About to go to the ship, take a shower, take a nap, and drink a lot of water,
It's the right way, right?
and get ready for the next adventure. What about it?
Full body workout.
Yeah, man. Straight workout right there. Wee bit.
I would have did that.
Make you pay extra for the slide. That's a whole excursion by itself. Nice try. Nice try. All right, guys, we're heading back to the ship now. Haiti has been fun. It's been real Haiti. got something crossed off my
the bucket list now.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna say. You see, she's smart. We're gonna get washed, get ready for some Jamaican style food. We got that jerk chicken on the way. We got that roti. You gotta say it like roti. You gotta say it like that.
Roti not Jamaican though.
I said Caribbean.
Trini.
I should have said Caribbean food, not Jamaican food. See,
Guyanese.
you learn while you on your trip too. That is home for the week. Home for the week. Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? We just got back to the room. Haiti was nice. Haiti was nice. And now I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy that view right there, baby. So I guess tonight our goal is to hit the club after we go to the Caribbean food night. Basically gonna have roti, jerk chicken. You know what I mean? Shoot, I wish they had ackee and saltfish, but we ain't get to Jamaica yet. But you know, they're gonna have all the curries and all the stuff that we need for our Caribbean fix. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good time. My lady's in the shower, hogging up the shower. Just waiting on her so I can get in there and lay in that bed. I need to give me like a nap or something after that. At least 2 hours. Give me 2 hour power nap and I'm good. Something to hold me down, you know, so I can have some energy for the night when we party. So Royal Caribbean, y'all doing your thing right now. I'm watching y'all. I got nothing to compare you to but Carnival, so I'm watching y'all. Yeah, those obstacle courses we did earlier was just, whew. After doing the kayaking and then doing that right after, exhausting, guys, exhausting. It was times when I was underwater, I can feel my thighs and my arms, my triceps getting tight, like they were about to be pulled. So I would have to stop and rest and take some deep breaths before I would continue. And then when I got to like the obstacle courses, it was like that show Wipeout. I was running across the flotation beams. It was fun. It was good. I thought it was gonna be like an aqua park, like a little, you know, just slides and stuff like that. It was slides, all right. You slide right into the ocean. My only problem with that is getting that nasty salt water in your mouth and I didn't swallow any, thank God, but I was spitting that stuff out. You really had to hold your nose the entire time so you didn't get nothing in there. It was, that first drop was fun. Right. It's time to get in this shower and take a nap. I'll see you when it's time for the Caribbean food night, all right? Peace. We're walking on top of the deck, guys, but right now, man, we're about to go eat, get that roti. But that jacuzzi. I just want this.
Not Spanish.
I said roti. So good. The people gonna love it. No, but the jacuzzi is looking real comfortable right now with a drink. That's what I'm thinking about right about now. Barely anybody in the pool right now. sleeping or just watered out. We was all up in the water in Haiti. You got 2 people at the bar. Yeah, everybody throwing down right now. Look at the footwork. All right, Alexi, every 4th step go boom.